welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today we're heading down to the lake, Lake Ontario. We're gonna do some droning of a bridge, lift bridge. Taking the Zillomobile down. Hopefully get some good footage, maybe even a big boat coming through. Let's see what we got. Hey everybody, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today we're going to drone not one, not two, but 3 bridges. Behind me we got the Burlington Canal lift bridge, and behind you we've got the James Allen Skyway that connects Hamilton and Burlington on the QEW. Not only that, there's 2 bridges to this bridge, to the Skyway bridge. It's twinned actually. A lot of metal in the area, so got to be careful with how we fly, what we get close to. With Canadian laws, I got to stay away from all the big boats coming in, stuff like that. But let's see what kind of footage we got. Enjoy your flight.
Flight 259, have a safe departure, good day. Maintain an altitude of 15,000 feet.
Built in 1962, the Burlington Lift Bridge provides access to thousands of commercial and pleasure vessels that enter the Hamilton Harbor each year. There have been 5 different bridges since 1830, and at one time, railroad tracks crossed the bridge until 1982, where they were removed to accommodate road traffic. The surface on the bridge is metal grating. The bridge spans 380 feet long, 65 feet wide, and weighs 2,200 tons. Its clearance at maximum height is 120 feet. The counterweights offset the bridge weight, so that the motors are only lifting approximately 14 tons. There are 4 150 horsepower motors located in the bridge towers. 2 in each tower, and are synced electronically to make sure the bridge remains level while raising and lowering. The James Allen Skyway Bridge is located between Hamilton and Burlington, Ontario, Canada, and is part of the Queen Elizabeth Way, the QEW highway, linking Fort Erie with Toronto. The first bridge, the steel structure, was completed in 1958 and officially opened October 30th. When traffic volume became more than the bridge could accommodate, the bridge was twinned and opened on October 11th, 1985. At full speed, the bridge travels 60 feet per minute. The bridge operates from mid-March to the end of December, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Commercial vessels number approximately 1,500 per year, while pleasure craft is around 5,000. For large ocean liners, the process begins when the vessel is approximately 1.5 miles away from the bridge. Once radio communication with the control tower has been established and the vessel is lined up with the canal, the lifting sequence is started. The red navigation light, located on the bridge itself, and at the end of the piers on the lighthouses, are switched from solid red to flashing red. Once the bridge is at its peak and there's enough clearance, the lights will turn to green to indicate to the ship that it is safe to come through. The canal now provides Hamilton Harbor with access to the Atlantic Ocean by way of following channels and locks out to the St. Lawrence Seaway. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that footage, and if you have any ideas of any other location you'd like me to maybe dig up some history on or shoot a video on in the Golden Horseshoe area around Toronto in Ontario, I'm more than willing to check them out. So leave a comment in the comments below of any place that you might know of that you'd like to see filmed, and I'll see what I can do for you. What is your favorite place to just go and visit? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button. I hope you'll subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.